Hello friends, this video I am going to show you how to fix emergency calls only on Samsung phone. You can follow these few multiple steps to easily fix them. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone. Swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here you can find the airplane mode option. Once you found it, simply tap on it once to turn it on. After that, wait a few seconds. Then tap on the airplane mode button again, turn them off and check if it work or not. If your problem is still, don't worry. Now go to settings, scroll down slowly, open connection. After that, here you can find the SIM manager option, tap on it. Then at the very top you can see all of the SIM available there. For my phone is one SIM supported, so one SIM appear. If your phone is two SIM supported, you can see two SIM slot there. Simply you can turn them off if available or not, don't worry, you can follow the next method. Now go back to the main settings again. After that, scroll all the way to the very bottom. This time you can open software update, then click on check for update or download and install depending on your Samsung phone model or Android version, and wait to checking. If you find any update option available there, you can follow this guide easily, update it your phone. For my phone is already updated One UI 8.5. After that, go back again. This time you can open general management, then scroll down again, go to reset. Here you can see various options. Find the reset section under multiple option. You can see the reset mobile network settings option or similar name. Tap on it, then hit reset settings option. Verify to enter your phone screen password, then confirm by tap on the reset button at the very bottom. After it done, simply close it, then restart your phone. To do that, swipe the top of the screen again. You can find the power icon appear, click on it, hit restart, tap again and wait to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, you can check it. This time it worked properly. To check them, open phone app and you can call any person your number or make receive. This time it worked. However, keep in mind, if your problem is still, you can contact your service provider center to fix it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.